What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Queen back with another video, and I'm having some technical difficulty with my stove not working, but okay, whatever. Here goes nothing. I'll use the front burner. I'm gonna make some pasta, like I said before, and I have to make some potato salad, but I have to cut the potato salad. I have to cut the potatoes up, and I kind of forgot that when you make potato salad, you have to cut the potatoes up. I'm not gonna even lie. I haven't made that potato salad in so long, you guys, till I kind of forgot how to make the stuff. So I know I need mayonnaise, which is I want to put in there seafood. Well, before I do anything, let me just put my hair completely back so I don't get nothing in my food. Yeah, okay. So yeah, so I know I need mayo and put this up there. And I'm making potato salad for my father. He's been begging me for this potato salad. And of course, his wife can't make it. I make it, so yeah, here goes nothing. I'm gonna say that one ain't working either. So, when making potato salad, you have to make sure you have all the ingredients in it. And of course, I would love to share my ingredients, but a lady can't tell. I can't share my ingredients with you guys, but just know I'm whipping up some stuff in the kitchen. Alright, cool. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and season it up real good. And of course it's the seafood, so of course you need obey for it. I'll give you that little hint. Of course you have to have obey. You should have garlic in it as well. So yeah, here goes nothing. And the seasoning that I use is something that I was taught by my, look how they did this peanut butter. This just don't make no sense. By my grandmother. I'm gonna just put this down so she know to use this. Yeah, so yeah. I am making, oh, and you guys, I got these little cute little cups from Walmart. They are so cute. And I only went enough one thing, but look at these little cups. They're so cute. And I always tell y'all, Walmart is like one of my favorite stores I like to go to. Some people are like, oh, I don't shop at Walmart, da 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 da. Well, that's you, but I do. And then I got these little cute little glasses that supposedly change colors for the wine that you drink. So yeah, we'll see. And this cute little blue cup too, it's so cute, you guys. So I didn't have any forks and spoon, which I don't understand how my forks and spoon got feet and walk. So yeah, I had to go and buy some more forks and spoon from Walmart, which I'm so pissed, but it's okay. And I know I haven't been cooking. I haven't been on here vlogging for my food, because I do a variety of different things on my YouTube channel as well. People be like, oh, what you do? I do a lot of stuff on here. Yeah. So right now I already prepared my well, let me wash these dishes up real quick, because this is getting in my way. This ain't gonna work. Somebody ate cereal, didn't clean their bowls out as usual. Probably was my oldest son, but he don't do shit any fucking ways. Excuse my French. Sick of his ass too. I'm so sick of his ass. Lord knows I am. He's gonna need to get his own place, because he drives me nuts. He don't clean up, he don't do anything. You know what I'm saying? Like, dang, do something with yourself. Lazy stuff. I hope you don't think I'm gonna clean up behind Dad. You gotta go figure that shit out. I ain't doing nothing. He don't wash dishes. He don't do nothing in here. But come in this bitch, eat, sleep, and take a bath and go. And he ain't finna be leaving that bathroom dirty either. Nobody finna be cleaning up behind him. I don't like to clean up behind nobody. I don't need to clean up behind my little baby. I'm not a maid, baby. I'm not a maid. That job being done. So yeah. Right now, I'm just like washing my dishes up real quick because I can't cook in no kitchen that's dirty. And you shouldn't cook in a kitchen that's dirty. You know what I'm saying? That's what anything you do. Nobody's home but me. Kids are grown. So yeah, I'm gonna make this food for my dad because I'm so tired of the night scene, y'all. So tired. I had no fault, no spoon. So yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of clean my kitchen up before I can start cooking because I can't. I do not like cooking in a dirty kitchen. It's just me. So right now I'm just gonna let the cold water run on my shrimp. Because like I said, my kitchen was dirty. These kids come in here, use the kitchen. I don't know what my daughter was doing last night in the kitchen. I got some for her. She get it here. So I'm trying to boil my noodles real quick for my pasta. I'll just set the camera right there. Y'all can still see me. I haven't been doing no cooking video. I mean, none. None whatsoever. I've been on the go. On the go. I'm so sorry. Guys, hold on.